Welcome back everyone. So for today's video we are going to be watching some cute hair tutorials to watch instead of Netflix. So the first one is by Sophie Hannah. Absolutely love her hairstyles. If you guys get a chance, definitely check out her Instagram. She has tons of hair tutorials and they are all extremely creative. Definitely something that you don't see every day. And with the first one, she's doing a half up, half down rubber band hairstyle. This hairstyle looks as if it's pretty easy to achieve. You're just using 2 rubber bands and some hairspray. Alright, so the next one is a little bit more complicated because she is dyeing a wig. But the color combination on this wig is absolutely stunning. So many different colors, the vibrancy, the softness. So gorgeous. And if you guys actually did want to do this particular hairstyle, you could buy a wig that's already candy colored, because I do actually have one and they make some that are similar color variations. So you can also buy wigs like this if this is the look that you want to achieve for a night out and you just want to have a little bit of fun. Alright, so for the next one, she's dyeing her hair pink and purple. Absolutely love this color combination. And can we talk about her makeup? Like, her makeup is always so flawless. Love it. Alright, so next up are a few hairstyles from Daisy. She is doing the TikTok hack where you use like socks or some type of material in order to create wand curls. Daisy tends to do a lot of curly hair tutorials, which are great if you have naturally straight hair and you want to add a bit of volume through the use of curls. Definitely check her out because her hair tutorials are awesome for that. And then here she is showing us a couple of cute little everyday hairstyles. And then we see this one with the perfect polished ponytail. So this one is a bit of a hack because she's actually doing 2 ponytails and making it look as if she has just one. And that is, of course, in order to create more volume in the hair for a bigger ponytail. Alright, so next up we have hair tutorials from Cecilia. I know that there was someone that was saying, why do you keep featuring Cecilia? Well, I mean, have you seen her hair? I mean, how could I not feature more of her videos? Her hair is stunning and her hair tutorials are very cute. I personally like them. And I think that they're hairstyles that you don't usually typically see like every day, so just my 2 cents. So this next one is going to be a rubber band hairstyle. Absolutely love this look with the curls. And in this one, she's doing a roller set. And she's using the hooded dryer, the soft dryer. Oh, so pretty. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.